I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started with Claude Code and how I made the switch from Figma Make. This is the screen that made me quit Figma Make. $240 a month, and I'd already burned through almost all of it, with 2 weeks left in the cycle. The next tier up, $351. I'm a designer. I built one app. I couldn't keep paying to iterate and reprompt whenever Figma Make got it wrong, so I switched. And the tool I switched to cost $20 a month, and it's actually made for the one thing Figma Make made expensive, iterating. Let me show you. Here's what happened. I used Figma Make to build a dashboard app for YouTube creators, and honestly, I was blown away at how fast it turned my designs into a real working app. But then I hit the wall every designer hits. Every edit made my app a little more complicated, and every edit cost credits. So the better I wanted to make it, the more I paid. The fix was Claude, and there are two parts to it I want you to understand because this is the whole trick. There's Claude, the chat one, and there's Claude Code. The chat one is the strategist. It helped me set up everything in plain English, step by step. And when I didn't know how to ask for something technical, it would write the prompt for me for Claude Code. Then Claude Code is the one that actually writes the code and makes the changes. And here's the part that sold me. I already knew Figma Make was running on a version of Claude under the hood, so I figured if I switch to the real thing, I'll feel right at home. The Claude inside Figma Make, that's the caveman version. Claude Code is the spacecraft. Same family, completely different league. What makes Claude Code so different is that it tells you its plan before it touches anything. It says, here's what's in your files, here's what I'm about to change, and then you say go. That one habit took me from restarting my whole project 3 times in Figma Make to a fully functioning app. So now my whole loop is simple. I make a change with Claude Code, I preview it right on my local dev server, and when I'm happy, I push it live. That's it, no credits ticking down while I think. And I want to say this because I know some of you just flinched at the words dev server. I knew nothing about this before I started. But you don't have to become a developer. You're still a designer. The breakdown is simple, as you can see here. I now have much more control over my app and the outcome with Claude and Claude Code. The AI writes the code, you bring the taste, the judgment, and knowing what you actually want. My app is live and in beta now. Real people are signing up, which still kind of blows my mind because I built it for me. If you want to see the exact steps, how to get your app out of Figma Make, set it up on your computer, and make it live, check out my guide to launching with Claude Code. You'll learn how to launch a live app and stay focused on what you do best, design. The link is in the comments. See you next time.